light. Hey darling, we could get out.
Hey, it's Melissa. I wanted to talk about how to get the bus. So the bus to go to the falls, Argentina Falls, is right in Puerto Iguazu on the Argentina side. And you're just right in the middle of town. You definitely will see it. And it's 500 pesos a person one way. So it's 1,000 pesos round trip. They'll let us know. It starts at 7 a.m. That was one of the questions I didn't really know. It starts at 7. I think it takes like 25 minutes. But one thing, we went on the bus, didn't even ask. Luckily, we went to the right place. Next time, make note to make
Track
sure.
11.
It was on track 11. It could change. Very easy. And we got there before it opened at 8 a.m. It's not very crowded right now. I'm sure later it will be. But a lot of the stuff in the falls is closed. The Devil's Throat is closed, and only partial of the lower circuit is closed. So, but it's still very nice. You still see some great views. I still recommend coming, even though these things are closed. We got our tickets to the Iguazu Falls. We got a little nervous that we were on the wrong bus, but we made it here.
Here we are. First one in comes with a lot of responsibility.
Yeah.
Leading.
I had to cut the rope.
But leading, knowing where to go is the number one thing.
Following the going to individual waterfalls right now. If these waterfalls, if anybody's ever gone down a barrel down these waterfalls, like in Niagara
Is that
Falls.
what you're really wondering?
Yeah, I'm wondering if anybody tried to go down. Too many rocks. You know that for a fact.
Yes, I do, because I did it once.
You did it.
Just once.
So then it means there's one person who did it.
Yes.
And you survived.
Of course I did.
Oh, okay. Sounds good to me. Are you ready to do it again?
No.
We're on the boat, actually on a truck, like a monster truck, to the boat on the Grand Adventure in Iguazu Falls in Argentina. We're going to be getting very wet, I've been told. We're about to go on the boat. We have our life jacket, we have our dry bag.
y el que le habla Ángel, ¿sí? Chicos, presten atención, les voy a mostrar. Doblan hacia el frente o hacia abajo, quitan el aire apretando y lo enrollan siempre en vueltas pequeñas, ¿sí? Hasta donde dé la capacidad de la misma, ¿ok? Luego lo abrochamos para atrás y queda de esta manera.
our breath. But when they say you're gonna get wet, there's a butterfly on me, you really do go wet. It's like I didn't need to take a shower, which I had no hot water, so I barely, so now I took my shower. They get you in, a bunch of waterfalls, soaking, and then speeding. It was so much fun.
There she is, chit-chatting away.
We made it to the Brazil side of the Iguazu Falls. And actually we took a bus from Puerto Iguazu, which we had to go through border control, so you need to bring your passport, don't forget that. It was actually pretty easy, and now the only problem was that I should have bought the tickets, I think, beforehand to get in here, because we had to wait to 9 before the machines open up. You can only do credit card, and then the boarding wasn't until 9:30, which looked like the first one was at 8:30. So purchase your tickets online before you get there, and you probably get here earlier. If you're going to the Argentina side, I recommend the next day going to the Brazil side. It's even better. It's unbelievable.
Countries: Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina.
We are at the Hilto 3 Fronteras. This is where the Parana and Iguazu rivers join, and you can see from Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay. So that's Brazil over there, and that's Paraguay over there.
This is the Iguazu River. After it comes over the waterfalls, calms down a little bit.